Hello everyone, I am Rahul Mitro. I am presently pursuing PhD in IIT Kanpur under the guidance of Professor Kishan Vishwas in the field of ultra temperature ceramic. So basically I am in Department of Material Science and Engineering in IIT Kanpur. I am also an alumni of Sardar University, Department of Material Science. I graduated in 2018. I did my masters there in Material Science Department. So today I am going to basically talk about what are the other aspects of graduating from material science department and what students can do after graduating, what are the scopes. So this will be a very short video that I'll be recording, and let's try to compact things in very short amount of time. So as you know, material science is a very vast subject. It is an interdisciplinary subject. So there are a lot of scopes for different backgrounds, students from different backgrounds like physics, chemistry, industrial chemistry, or nanotechnology. So it is not bound to any particular area. So as we deal with things every day in our life which are associated with material science, so students from who are experts in different areas are very much needed in the field. So there are lots of scopes and options that student can opt after graduating material science, especially from material science department, Sardar University, as it is one of the most reputed university in our whole country. So there are lots of aspects that I would like to talk about. Two, three aspects. Like the first one is if you want to go pursue higher studies, you can obviously go crack GATE and then come to any reputed institution, apply for a MHRD fellowship. You can do research under several good researchers, good professors. You can also pursue PhD in material science department after cracking GATE or after taking institute scholarship. And then there is another option, you can also get placed after doing masters from this department. There are placement options that you can also go. There are several of our batchmates, they are actually placed in different companies like MRF is there, some fertilizer companies there, I probably cannot remember. So there are lots of scopes you can go. So basically I chose as a to pursue PhD as my main career, so I'll little bit talk about more here, and what you can do after doing PhD. So I after doing my masters, I joined as a MTech in Material Science Department at IIT Kanpur. So there I got to know that after MTech we can go for several job opportunities. So if you have a good pointer in MTech, and it is easy to crack a job. It is not the very difficult thing to crack a job. So proper systematic thing if you follow, so it is easy to crack a job. You can get placed in different companies like Senkoben. You can also placed in Applied Materials. You can also place in Tata Motors, Tata Steel. Lots of core companies are there which are based on different aspects of material science. So this means that place in terms of placements, material science is not at all lacking, because it involves in involvement of different areas such as physics. The physics people who are interested in semiconductors, they can go for applied materials who are based on solar cell making companies or chips making company. People can also go for those who are based on those who are expertise on metals and alloys type of things. They can always go for Tata Steel. If people are more expertise in polymer, they can go for different polymer companies. If people are based on ceramics, they can go for Senkoven. So there are several companies that you can go for after placement or after you complete your MTech. And another option is converting PhD, just like I did. After third semester of my MTech, I converted into PhD, and you can spend some time here, do quality amount of research, and after research you can also go for postdoc. You can also take placements, and the placement you will take will have a much higher annual package as compared to MTech, because the degree difference is there. So there are a lot of things you can do after doing masters in material science. So basically there are lots of opportunities, and you have to strike opportunities in the right time. It is not like you have to put a lot of thought into it right now, but when you start to graduate, but when you will be in second year, so just give it a thought. Try to consolidate your thought, try to understand what you want to do in the future, try to select a path whether you want to go for placements after joining after doing masters from this department, or you want to go for higher studies. That is up to you, so decide wisely. And lastly, best of luck for everyone. So if anybody needs to talk about something further, we can also get in touch. So thank you.